Hi there guys, welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this little episode we're going to restore this enormous, gigantic, super huge Crescent wrench, which is 4-inch long. That's probably the smallest wrench I ever held in my hands. It's kinda cute. I'm going to remove the rust using electrolysis, and after I wanna give this guy an etch using Muriatic Acid. So that's the plan. Thanks for stopping by. Relax, sit back and enjoy this restoration. Well, there you guys are. Our little Crescent wrench is ready. Muriatic Acid gave it such a nice matte edge. It looks almost like it's titanium now or something like that. I really like it. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Please support my channel giving me thumbs up and subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe in these rough times, and I will see you in next one. Bye now.